Hollywood WWE here. We're back with another episode of Super Smash Mobs. Today I'm gonna be the spider. The spider. Yeah, spider. Comes with a gold sword. Oh, he's a slime. He's a skeleton. How you gonna be, dude? Man. Last episode I was a creeper. It was pretty OP. Till Brandon beat me up. Man. Alright, so 2 skeletons, a slimy, spider. Yeah. Oh, there's 2 spiders. No! Already? Come on, man. Make it better, spider. Bring out my Ender Spider. You missed. Oh crap. Run. Run. No! Come on. Some break, man. Come on. Did I get him? I got him. I got him. Yeah. Stupid spider. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Die. 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 Oh crap. No. They have to be teaming. I don't like people who team. I don't know why. Oh, of course when I team it's fun. Whoa. What's he doing? Whoa. Ooh, yeah. Oh, you dead. Ow. Oh, yeah. Hey, man. I'm going up here. Where is it? Ow. Just my instincts. I'm running. I'm running. I don't know about you, but I'm running. When you have low in health like that, you gotta run. I wanna win. Well, that Skelly has 3 lives left. I like how they're chasing me after each other. I thought they were teaming. You betrayed. You betrayed, Jade. No, no, no. Oh crap. Run. Ow. Ow. Run. 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 Come on. Come on. Here comes. No! Dang! Come on. Ooh, this spider's pretty good. Yeah. Good spider. Ooh. I like that. Goodbye, everybody. For me, I died. Sad. Sad. Hollywood sad. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, spider. The spider. Alright, so who won? Oh, the spider won. He must have brought out his inner spider instincts. Spider-Man. I'm gonna be Spider-Man next time.